Hey all, hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel, Swift World of Coding. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create a folder inside a S3 bucket, delete an object from an S3 bucket, and copy an object from one folder of S3 to another folder of S3 bucket. So this video is a continuation of my previous video in which I have shown how to list all the objects inside a bucket, list all the buckets, read a file from S3, upload a file to S3, and download a file from S3. So let's begin. Okay, so let's run our script. I've already created an access key and access key secret. This is not a good idea to show you the access key and access secret, but I will delete it after this video. So let's run to list all the buckets that are inside my S3. So as you can see, I have a one bucket demo S3 at tutorial. I will show you from my console. Okay, so this is the bucket. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm now creating a folder inside a S3 bucket. So let's begin. I've already set up a connection with S3 and providing my access key and my access secret key. Okay, so let's write the bucket name. I will just copy and paste from here. Okay, and just write a command client dot put underscore object. Okay, and pass the argument first the bucket name and the key. Let's create a folder named demo inside my S3 bucket. You need to provide a slash that marks the end of a path. So let you show. As you can see, there is no folder created inside my bucket. Now I'm running my script so that it will create a folder named demo inside the bucket demo S3 tutorial. So let's save and run. Okay, let's check whether a folder has been created inside an S3 bucket or not. Oh, you can see here a demo folder has been created. It's an empty folder. Let's create another folder named demo1. I will show you why I have created another folder named demo1. Okay, let's check whether the folder named demo1 has been created or not. Yeah, it's created. Okay, let's place one file here. Click on upload, add files. I placed one file here and it has been uploaded. I have uploaded here so that I can copy an object that is placed inside my demo folder to demo1. Okay, so now write a code. Now we are writing a code to copy an object from one folder to other. So let's write our code. First we need to write our copy source. Okay, it's in dictionary. We need to specify first our bucket name. Oh, it would be capital. Oh, sorry. Then we need to provide our path. where my file is present that we need to copy. Okay, so it's inside demo folder named address.csv. I will just copy this name. Now client.copy, here you can see that it's asking for copy source, bucket name and the key. So I will provide my copy source location. I'm just copying here. Need to provide my bucket name and my final location. Again, key will be capital. Here demo1 slash address.csv. I'm placing the file with the same name. So let's check whether my code that I've written is correct or not, and it is able to. Okay, let me comment out this part of code and run my code again. Okay, let's check whether my file name address.csv has been copied to demo1 folder or not. So you can see that my file has been copied from demo folder to demo1. Okay, you can also place your file outside your all the folders. Okay, and what you can do, copy from there to any folder. Just you needed to remember the path from where you are copying and the final path. In order to copy a file from one of the bucket to another, you just need to set the target bucket name. For example, I want to copy my file from demo S3 tutorial bucket to another bucket whose name is, let's say, ABC. So you can just copy the same command, just you need to change the final target bucket name. So I'm again commenting out my code. Now I'm going to show how to delete an object from S3. You just need to write client.delete object. You need to provide your bucket name, um, bucket. I'm just copy pasting from here. Okay, you need to provide the key. I'm deleting this file that is outside all my folders, so I just need to provide this only. Let's save and run. Yeah, let's refresh my page. As you can see, my file has been deleted. Let's delete my file that is present inside my demo folder. So just here, what you need to do, just add the path here, demo slash. Okay, let's check whether it is deleted from inside the demo folder or not. Yeah, it's deleted. So in this video I have showed how to create a folder inside an S3 bucket using Boto3 library, copy a file from one folder to another, and delete an object from a S3 bucket or inside the folder of a bucket. So hope you like my video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel, Srif World of Coding.